How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Troyce here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Keto Cheesecake Cupcakes. Half with icing, half without icing. Look at that. Can you believe it? With only 2 net carbs per cupcake. And I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to make this. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. Alright, I'm going to show you how to make these right now. Alright, we're going to start off with a crust with the cheesecake. We're going to start off with a ½ cup of almond flour and a ¼ cup of almond meal and a ½ teaspoon of Lakanto powdered monk fruit sweetener and 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and mix until combined. So we're going to put this dough into the baking tins. We have our baking tin here, and we have our baking cups right here. We're going to put a baking cup in each one. Now to add our fillings to the bottoms of each one. Alright, and try to flatten them out. Alright, it's looking great. Now to add the filling. Alright, for the filling, we have 1 block of softened cream cheese, a tablespoon of sour cream, a ¼ cup of Lakanto powdered monk fruit sweetener, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, the juice of a ¼ lime, a pinch of salt, 10 drops of liquid stevia, and 1 egg, and mix until combined. Now it's time to transfer this onto the baking tins. Now let these cool for approximately 20 to 30 minutes before applying the icing to the tops. We're going to make the icing. 2 tablespoons of sour cream and a ½ teaspoon of Lakanto powdered monk fruit sweetener and 5 drops of liquid stevia, and mix until combined. About a ½ hour has elapsed. Now we'll add some icing. Spread it evenly on the top. Now to place this in the refrigerator to allow to set for approximately 1 to 2 hours. All right, the cupcakes were in the fridge for about 2 hours, and now they have set. Now let's have a taste test. Let's take a look at this here. Wow, look at that. Icing and the crust on the bottom. Man, this looks good, guys. Look at that with the crust on the bottom, the cheesecake filling in the middle, and the icing on top. This is great. The addition of the almond meal with the almond flour gives it a little more of a texture on the bottom. The icing is delicious. The filling tastes just like cheesecake. Man, that is good. This is one without the icing. Take a look at that. This one doesn't have the icing. That is good. You know what? They don't even need icing. These taste a little better without the icing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troy signing out.